family, this video is the continuation of the last fenugreek video. Please let's just go into it and don't be surprised. Okay, so now we have our pasta here. I'm just gonna add it on my hair. You see the way my hair is clean. I washed it yesterday, then I twisted it. Then you can just see I have like 4 sections. I'm just gonna add it in each of section. So that is also good when you are making a treatment on your hair. You have to section in your hair so that it will be easy for you to apply the product, you know. And I'm gonna apply it now. Look at this. It's very good. It's like a camo, something like that. So as you can see, I finished putting the treatment on my hair. So I finish, put everything on the scalp, and let me just turn so that you can see how it look like. Wow, very nice, love it. So now what I have here, I have my plastic bag. I just have to cover my head with my plastic bag. Then add my shower cap. Now I'm gonna leave it like 30 to 45 minutes, or I can also leave it like 1 hour. It depends on what I'm doing while it's working on my hair, and I can do all that in the house. Waiting for the treatment to sit on your hair can be boring, so we don't have to be bored. So in the house you can do something. You can clean, you can cook, you can wash, you can iron clothes while the treatment is sitting on your hair. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to the kitchen and make a delicious okra soup. So then after the 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes, I'll come back and show you the result. Then after that, I'm gonna wash it and soak. Then see you soon. So 45 minutes are over. Let me just show you. So ooh, nice. Wow, love it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna rinse everything. But because if a treatment, I'm not gonna wash it with shampoo. You have to go away from shampoo when you make your treatment and treatment, this kind of treatment. So you just have to use shampoo like other thing, like when you make onion treatment or protein treatment, because you put something inside that you have to wash. And like onion too is there is smell, but like this fenugreek doesn't have a smell, and that it is done. So now I'm just gonna rinse it, and when I finish I'll come and show you the result. Okay, then see you soon. Now I finished washing the hair. So oh, I can't tell you, the feeling is very good. I feel my hair. Look at this. The hair is thick. And my scalp is also clean everywhere. My gosh, fenugreek is not bad. But after rinsing now, I'm gonna use this Cantu shea butter leave-in conditioner. I will seal the hydration with my DIY aloe vera oil. I love this oil. I love this oil so much. If you haven't seen the video where I was doing this oil, please just go and watch this video. It's very interesting. It's very interesting, and order of my video out. Please just go and watch them. And if you are not subscribed, please just subscribe. You can subscribe for everything I'm doing in this channel, okay? Because I'm doing hair videos, I'm doing fashion videos, then everything is okay. That it is. So now I'm gonna section my hair. So just like this, make some twists. So let me just show you how I'm doing it. So I always say, okay, I'm not using comb, but after washing the hair, make treatment, sometimes I can use my comb just to comb a bit. So gentle. Then take my Cantu. I make sure that I put the leave-in conditioner everywhere, so you can see. So then take some drop of my aloe vera oil. Add it to the hair. Then make my twist just like this. So in the end, I just turn it like this, turn it. Then that is my twist. So let's just make another one again. I don't want to put the oil on my scalp. Just put the oil on the hair. Then twisted it again like this. So at the end, I just turn it like this. So that is my twist. I will go and make everything out of camera, then I will come back to show you the end result. Then see you soon. So now I finished twisted my hair, as you can see. So it's long. Okay, the hair is still here. So I love the way everything come out. The fenugreek is very good, soften my hair, and during all the process, that is what I got like shaded hair. Fenugreek is, I love it. I will continue to use it. I can use the tea to spray on my hair. I can also use the powder. You can find those ingredients in your local shop or by Amazon also. I bought my one, the seed, I bought them by my local shop here. But the powder, I have to check also. Maybe I will get some powder also. So that is I love it. Let me just turn. So hair, what I like is that the hair is soft, very soft, and I got many curls. Oh, I love, it's very good. So if you want to make your fenugreek paste, you have to put a lot of water while grind it, or when you want, when by the preparation of when you are preparing everything, you have to add a lot of water in the fenugreek, so that when it come up, because we soak the water, then when you want to grind it, you add water again. Because what happened to me, I didn't add a lot of water, but luckily I was having the rest of fenugreek water. I just add them, then so everything come okay. So I love it. So the front of my hair is not too long, okay, till here. In the back is long, see. So that is thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video, share it, and comment. And if you are not subscribed, please just subscribe to help your sis. So see you in my next video. I think it will be a video again, and I would like to make many video now with fenugreek also. And if you are not subscribed, just subscribe so that you will not miss what I will do with fenugreek. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye.